You can create highly engaging stick-style videos just with simple prompts using AI and earn thousands of dollars by uploading them on YouTube. Nowadays, stick-style animated videos are gaining more attention than anything else. It is the best format for topics like infotainment, motivation, and many more. Stay tuned because, in this video, I will show you the exact process for creating stick-style animations with just simple steps. So, let's dive in. To get started, first of all, we need a script for our video. For this, I will use ChatGPT to create the script. I will ask ChatGPT to generate a simple 4-minute script for a motivational video about getting ahead in life, and it will provide me with a script in seconds. Next comes the stick animation. But before creating the stick animation, we need a stick figure that matches our script. For this, once again, I will use ChatGPT. First, I will take a sample stick figure image from Google. Then, I will upload it to ChatGPT and use a specific prompt, which you can copy from my description. After doing so, I will paste my script, and ChatGPT will generate around 20 to 25 prompts for our stick-style images. Now that we have received prompts for our images, the next step is to create those images. To generate stick figure images, we will use another AI tool called Leonardo AI. Simply go to Leonardo AI, and you will see an option for image creation. Click on it. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box of Leonardo AI. Select the appropriate model or preset to get the desired results. After that, hit the Generate button, and the tool will create the images in seconds. You can also tweak some settings like the aspect ratio for better output. Once you have generated some images, repeat this process to create all the images based on the prompts. Select the images you want to animate and download them for further processing. Now that we have our desired images, it's time to animate them. For animating the images, we will use Hailuo AI, one of the best AI tools for image animation. The best part about it is that it provides daily credits. Simply head over to hailuoi.video. You can find the link in the description. Once you open the website, you'll see different options. Click on the Create button. You'll now see an interface with an image to video section. Below this, there's an option to upload an image, and beneath the image upload box, you'll find a prompt box where you can describe how you want your image to be animated. Now, I'll upload my image and provide the necessary prompts. After that, you'll see an option for Model. Select 12v01 Live for creating an image-to-video animation. Then, hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, it will generate a mind-blowing animation for you. Repeat this process for all your images. In the free version, you can animate up to 3 images, but you can upgrade to a subscription plan for producing more animated videos. Once you've got all your animated videos, import them into any video editing software, add background music and narration, and export the final video. Then, upload it to your social media platforms. And that's how you can create stick animated videos without any advanced skills. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you.